Hello everyone, I am Bibi from India. My passion to be an English teacher was triggered by my English sir, Mr. P.O. Sebastian. Today, I just enjoy being an ESL teacher. The common issue that I have observed among English teachers and learners is that they insist you to sit down and study. Now, is it required? Well, if you would ask me, I would say no. It can be done by doing anything you like. It can be done by watching a movie, playing games, traveling, cooking, or even singing a song. Let's try a song. I messed up tonight, I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. From this song, we can learn lot of verbal phrases. Mess up means mishandle a situation. Learning English is only possible if you find the best teacher. Now, who is this best teacher? Well, the best teacher is yourself. Only if you decide to teach yourself, you are going to learn. Believe me, learning English is so fun. Do you want to follow me? Come on, let's learn English.